You're going to do a kayaking adventure, Payne Street Boat Ramp. And the boat ramp is covered with all these sticks and trees from the flooding we had a couple weeks ago. Kind of blustery, but got the trolling motor. Some kayaking. Not too long, it's like blustery weather and kayaking. The trolling motor will get the propulsion. We'll probably go over to Lover's Leap over there and come back. Maybe the Valley River. But I don't like this blustery weather though. Okay, let's take the kayak off the truck. Let's get going. Okay, so we got the kayak in the water. Let's go hook up the battery to the motor and get going. Like I said, it's weather's kind of windy, but we can handle it. Okay, so we got everything connected. Got the battery connected, the motor. Right, and pull the truck up and get it out of the way. Put it over here and go kayaking. Look at all this stuff. You even got a football here. Somebody's boot. It looks like part of a boot. Lots of junk right here. All right, so I gotta move the truck over here, and we'll go kayaking. Someone left all their trash here too. Okay, so we got the truck parked. Now it's time to go kayaking. Okay, so I made it through the debris field. It's blustery Saturday morning. So I seem to be able to make it to Lover's Leap and back, so let's go over to Lover's Leap. But on the kayak in the Hiwassee River. It's all connected. And so let's go some kayaking. It is. Wish the sun would come out. I don't know if I really want to go with this weather though. It looks like it might rain, so maybe I shouldn't go to Lover's Leap. Maybe I should just go up the Valley River. Yeah, that's what I think I'll do. This weather isn't totally predictable right now. With this wind and there's clouds up here, so I'm just going to go to Valley River instead of Lover's Leap, because Lover's Leap, I won't have any place to get shelter. And I don't want to get stuck in the rain on a kayak. So I go over here. 3-speed. And also with the kayak and the river is much more closer together, so it won't be as blustery as it is here. If I need to pull in because of the rain, I got places to land over there, which is better. Come back, Payne Street Boat Ramp. So let's go to the Valley River. Just one other, the Joe Brown Unicoi Turnpike Bridge. Riverwalk looks like it's almost flooded. People on the trail. People on the trail. I'm getting ready to go under the railroad bridge, L&N Railroad Bridge, which hasn't served the train since the 1970s. And probably really not since probably the 1930s. We're gonna go under it. Look, I just hit the rock. Wind that was in the river. Under the bridge. A little crappy though and rusty that looks. More debris in the river. Approaching Leach Place. Under the bridge. A little crappy though, rusty that looks. More debris in the river. Fog. Approaching Leach Place. Geese. There are people feeding the geese. They're not supposed to be feeding the geese. He's trying to coax the geese and they're coming into him. Geese. They're supposed to be wild geese. Look at the little ducklings. The goslings. The goose is saying, "Don't come on my goslings." Full speed ahead on the Valley River. Speed 5. Going full speed ahead. I don't want to lose too long because I lose power quickly. I better slow it down to level 3, which should be more appropriate for this time. Everything's all flooded from the rains we had last week. This is the furthest I've been able to use the kayak, navigate the kayak in the Valley River going upstream because of all the flooding that was here from the rain last week. Saw the snake in the water a little while ago. I don't think it was a water moccasin, just a regular water snake. But I've never been able to go this far in the kayak. And there's the Murphy Riverwalk trail right over there. And 74 is right just above that. And maybe able to make it all the way to Lowe's. And around this bend right over here, Lowe's is probably only like about another 200 yards ahead. Not that far to Bulldog Drive. Just beyond this bend, so you're going to see Bulldog Drive. Furthest upstream, I've been able to go in the Valley River. Oh, look at that big oak tree. The trees fall down. There it is, Bulldog Drive, right up ahead. I can actually see it. Okay, so there's Bulldog Drive. Sweet Tooth's over there. And that tinting place, Murphy Tinting goes right over there. And that warehouse. There's Bulldog Drive and Lowe's is right over there. The current's getting a little bit stronger. So I don't know how much I can make it up here. But I think we'll be able to get up there and that'll be neat. I can say it's the furthest upstream I've ever been on the Valley River. I've been on here downstream, but that was going with the current. But you can see that the current's getting a little stronger right here. So I don't know how much further I can get up. But this point, it looks like I'll be turning around very soon. It looks like here, it's pretty strong, and I'm barely even moving. Yep. I'm not moving anymore. That's it. That's about as far as I can go. But made it up to just about to the Bulldog Drive Bridge. Yeah. On the speed 4, maybe I can get a little further. I don't want to use up all my battery power because I still got to get back. Moving. A little bit strong current right here. You see that over there? Current is pretty strong. There's sticks that are sticking up. And I'm at 4 speed and I'm barely even moving. So I'm going against the kayak, against the current right now. Going upstream in this Bulldog Bridge, but still slight movement, but not much. And it's getting harder to steer too. Alright, so we're going to turn back because I can't make it up any further. At least I can say made it to the Bulldog Bridge. Bulldog Drive Bridge. Murphy High School's right over there. Okay, so let's turn around. And you can see the bottom of the river right here too. Pretty fast moving back. Well, we're moving fast back. I was going with the current, going pretty fast with the current. Going downstream. Heading on back to Payne Street Boat Ramp. Go get some to eat. Make my baby back ribs. Running at full speed, but running out of power. The Rusty Bridge.